How to keep your surroundings positive. In order for the law of attraction to work in your favor, you need to reach and maintain a very positive environment everywhere you go. Most people believe that a positive environment is largely a state of mind, and that is quite true. But you can't reach a state of mind that's clutter-free if your immediate surrounding is not. It's hard to organize your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs if the things you see in front of you are out of order. This is the same reason why you find it hard to concentrate on the work at hand when you see your desk stacked with papers, or your room is littered with clothes, or you find it hard to cook when your ingredients are not neatly arranged on your countertop. You need to visualize order to be able to get in the right state of mind and create order in other areas in your life. Here are a few ways that can help you do that. Number 1. Remove clutter. In your home, it's easy for the mess to pile up. Letters, bills, flyers, calling cards all contribute to the seemingly endless supply of junk. Organize your desk in such a way as you only have to deal with the immediate things. The rest of them can go straight to the trash. When you keep unnecessary things around you, you send the universe the message that you have no space for the ones that you actually want to have in your life. Creating space for the things you want to manifest in your life will have a huge effect in terms of getting them. Number 2. Choose color wisely. Color affects your mood, especially dark and neutral colors. Carpets, walls, wallpapers, curtains, common household items that eat a big portion of your space send visual messages. These hues attract a more melancholic vibe that disrupts the positive flow of attraction. Choosing a brighter color like yellow lets you associate it with the warmth of the sun, thus giving you a lighter mood that will give you a positive mind. Number 3. Take away negative reminders. In our life, we meet so many people and we accumulate so many things. A lot of those we meet and those who leave an impact in our lives leave remembrances in the form of an old shirt, photos, ticket stubs, and other small things. Most of the time we hold onto them for sentimental reasons. They serve as reminders of things past. But not all reminders are pleasant. We must remember to purge ourselves of those that only serve to remind us of negative feelings or memories. Our thoughts need to be reprogrammed to receive more positive notes, and in order to do that, we need to throw away the mental notes of painful things. Number 4. Visualize change. When you visualize the changes that you want to make, it makes a big impact on your psyche. The more you can see yourself changing, the more you're susceptible to making these changes come true. You need to imagine what you want to happen, what you want to manifest. It also helps to have a vision board. When you do your visualization, be as detailed as possible. The details will make up the big picture, and the finer the specifics, the easier it is to believe that you will actually get what you're longing for, just the way you envisioned them. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe.